All right, y'all. Here we go again with another credit update. If you need your credit fixed, please let me know. All right. info@king1234.com, 202-505-6806. Text me or WhatsApp me. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's re-import this person's credit report. Of course, I don't want to sling their T's. Re-import their credit report. Let's see how much we got taken off, babies. Rich. Let's talk about it, bitch. It's a cashy set. What can you do with credit? You can get cars, houses, all that shit. All right, let's see where we at. Let's see where we're at. Check, check. Oh, I ain't mean to show the person that. All right. So as you can see, 60-point increase on motherfucking Equifax. 50-point increase from TransUnion, bitch. I'm the king, bitch. Hit me up at king1234, info@king1234.com at email, or you can text me at 202-505-6806. Our website is king1234.com. And bitch, I am your credit guy, okay? Come to me, bitch. We delete bad credit. Let me know. Wealthy.